Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we on guys Infinix phone guys phone auto rotate screen, and how can we use it. Friends, you want to on guys your Infinix phone guys phone auto rotate screen. So how can we on and how can we use it in this video. I will show you. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting and guys scroll it. So friends, you can see Infinix on my phone display and brightness. We will tap here guys, and guys again scroll auto rotate screen guy. We will on from here, and fans come back. So fans, how can you use fans? Suppose you are using any YouTube and guys any app like Play Store guys, we will use. And fans, you want to rotate your screen, so guys you can rotate auto rotate screen like that, and you can use so guys your screen will rotate automatic guys. So like that guys, you can on, and guys you can use guys your Infinix phone guys phone auto rotate screen. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on auto rotate screen and how to use it. And friends, you want to off, so guys you can off from here if you want. So guys you can off from here guys your auto rotate screen guys. So bye guys, thanks for watching.